Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roles on a Discord server. First, open your Discord application and navigate to the specific server where you want to add roles. Click on the server name at the top left of your screen, then select Server Settings from the drop-down menu. This crucial step is your starting point for all role management and customization. Once in Server Settings, find and click on the Roles tab located in the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of any existing roles on your server. To add a brand new one, simply click the prominent Create Role button. Give your new role a descriptive name, such as Moderator or Community Member, to easily identify its specific purpose. After naming your role, the next crucial step is to customize its permissions. Discord offers a wide and granular range of options, from managing channels and sending messages to kicking or banning members. Carefully review each individual permission and toggle them on or off as needed for this specific role's responsibilities. Always remember to save your changes to apply these settings effectively. Finally, to assign your newly created roles, navigate to the Members tab within Server Settings. Find the member you wish to assign a role to, click on their name, and then select the plus icon next to Roles. Choose the appropriate role from the list, and they will instantly gain its permissions. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.